guys tuning in here with me today. I am trying to get more videos up every week, so please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. I'm shooting for 2 a week, so I'm hoping to get 2 a week out for you guys. The last one I posted, it should be up now, is how to make very thin, balding hair look thicker and fuller, which I just finished making that video, so if you're interested in that, I'll put the link up there. And let's jump into a little bit of natural looking, no makeup look. So we're gonna do a very natural, how to look like you're not wearing makeup but so stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's just jump in. Your everyday, how to look like you're not really wearing much makeup, but look good. And that's the key, isn't it? And youthful too. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna slap on, this has become a new favorite of mine, this Bear With Me. You guys have seen it, I know it's getting redundant, but it works. You can, if you have one of these, if you have a CC cream or something like that, you can use that. Little buffing brush, I'm gonna mix that with this, which I really do like this. This is like blurs everything. Get whatever color works for you. Mine is beige caramel, and we're just gonna slap this on super fast. I'm gonna do it like I have to go to work, which I do. This is my last week, and I wanna look nice, but I'm not gonna, it's hot and I don't want to melt everything off. So I'm just gonna blend this in quickly, and you can see my skin through it. This is not a full coverage thing at all going on, but it's going to look nice. It's gonna be you, but better. Somebody used this frame, and I think it was Tati, that said snatchural. So we're gonna be snatchural, where it's a little more snatched than our normal, I don't like that word. A little more put together, but still look like you're not really wearing much makeup at all. Like you have gorgeous skin. Okay, we got that on. Good to go there. I don't do a whole lot of concealer when I do this, but I'm gonna do just a tiny bit. I'll use the Conceal and Define by Makeup Revolution, just a little tad here and there, because this is gonna have to be a fast one. It's around here. Not even doing anywhere else. That's it. Take a little brush. You can even use your fingers if you're running short on time. I like my brush. This goes pretty fast. This little e.l.f. crease or concealer brush. Just buff it in as quickly as you can. We're gonna make this a fast one. Fast, 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 fast. How fast can you put on makeup, Audrey? I don't know. Let's try. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna shoot for 10 minutes or less. Hopefully less. Less. Okay, got that done. I'm going to put a little bit of powder on. I'm just going to do the Bare Pro because it covers a little bit more, but it's still a powder. So I'm not going to overdo it. I'm just going to do it around here. Places where I get oily, and just a slight bit on the cheeks and under the eye. It actually can work under there. I just don't put lots. And I'm going to put it on my lids and just kind of use that as a primer. That's fast, huh? Got it done. Okay, we're gonna do, I'm gonna use this little palette by Pixi for a nice little easy eye look. We're just gonna use one color. I'll use a nice big fluffy crease brush from Wet n Wild, which I like. It's a bigger one. And I'm gonna go right into, what should I go into? This one, this camel color one. I might have to use 2 colors, but I'm gonna start with the camel one, see if it's dark enough to get in there. And go right where I want my crease to be, which is not where it normally is. And just blend that all the way up, almost to my brow, because I have so much space there. And you can see that's filling it in. Got a hair. Filling it in. I might have to do a little bit of deepening on the corners, but I'm not gonna do much at all. This is supposed to be very natural looking. Just your skin, but better. A little bit of definition in the eyes, not a lot. In fact, I'm gonna call that good and put a little bit underneath of the darker one, and that should take care of it. So just whatever, where's my little brushes? Let's get a little brush. I can get one, there we go. Dome brush. I'll get the little dark chocolate one here on the end. Put that underneath. And slut in the outside corner right there. That's it. I mean, it's just super fast. Okay. Think not a lot of extra in there, just enough. And what will really help is I'm going to use my butter bronzer as my blush and everything. I'm just gonna warm up the face if I can get it out. There we go. Little butter bronzer. Did I say bronzer? Butter bronzer. Bronzer is always good and it's easy. So you can slap it on and put it around my hairline because I have a higher forehead now that I don't wear bangs. And I actually use this to chisel out my jaw a little bit, but not over the top. So look, and put it all the way into the apples because we're doubling it up. We're gonna do double up. See, just warmed up the complexion. It looks like you have a little bit of something there. Throw on, I do have to do brows, but because we're gonna make it a fast, quick and easy one, I'm just going to do brow stylus. I'm not gonna do a pencil. So I'm just gonna do a brow gel with a tiny brush so that it can just get it on there and be done as fast as we can. This is a fast one. When you're running out of the house, you need to throw some makeup on, but you just don't want to spend a lot of time at it. That's this look. A little bit of brown. There. It's not perfect, but at least I have brows now. So I'm gonna throw on some mascara, whatever mascara you want, doesn't matter. Boom. I'm not gonna do liner. Literally just throwing on the mascara. And of course I do like this one because I get the most out of my lashes by using It Cosmetics Superhero. I'm just gonna do a matte lip, and it has a small brush or a small doe foot, so I can just sort of line with it too. So this is multitasking product. Save you time by using multitasking products, and you can just be done out the door. There we go. I don't know if that was 5 minutes though. Oh, it was 10. But hopefully you guys can get it, you can even minimize this more if you wanted to and just have one step for the face and that, the powder or the liquid, whichever you prefer. Anyway, this was a quick one. I hope you guys enjoy it. I have more content coming your way. If you like this kind of content, the quick and easy out the door makeup look, please leave me a comment. Let me know you like that, and I'll do another one with different kinds of options with double use or multi-use products. And I'll see you next time. Mwah! Peace.